In this video, I am showing you how you can change Play Store country. First of all, open Play Store app, and here you can click a profile icon. Here you can see both options. You can click on the payment and subscription option. Here you can click on payment methods. Now here you can click on more payment settings. That directs you on a browser. Now here you can click on three dots on left bar. Here you can click on addresses option. Now here you can click on manage addresses. Here show your older address that you can set. Now we click on the add address button. Here you can fill all the form of your address. After adding the address, you can click on the save button. Your address will be added. Thanks for watching this video.